My name is Victoria E.G Garcia and we're in Memphis, Tennessee. So when I was first looking into buying my first house, I knew I always liked older homes, but the issue with the one that I ended up buying is that the floors were sagging. And it was just very obvious. You didn't even have to walk across the floor to notice it. You could just see it right when you walked in. And I knew that I didn't want to feel like I had to tiptoe around my own house. So I knew I had to get that fixed right away. The sagging in the floors made me really nervous because sometimes it felt like you were literally about to fall through. And that's just not a good feeling to have. You want to live in a house that you can tell has a firm foundation. So I knew just for the safety of the home and for my own mental health, I needed to get that fixed. I discovered Redeemers Group because I just did a quick Google search. I also searched on online forums and Redeemers Group came up a lot, so I felt like I should give them a call. I chose Redeemers Group because I had ultimately contacted about 4 other companies. Some of them didn't actually show up to their appointment, and the ones that did were usually only here for about 30 minutes. You could tell they were really just trying to get in and get out, didn't really care about you or the problem, but Joe from Redeemers Group actually stayed with me for I think about 6 hours that first time, giving me not only a free quote and really diagnosing the problem and helping me understand what the problem is and what Redeemers Group's solution is, but he also gave me a lot of just free advice as a first-time homeowner. And there was even a time where I wasn't completely convinced yet that I should go with Redeemers Group. So he came back again for another 2 hours and really just explained everything, just took that time with me that I did not feel with any other company, that level of attention and care that I received from Redeemers Group. The crew at Redeemers Group was extremely friendly and knowledgeable, so they were able to come in, and I was actually surprised at how quickly they got all the work done. They came in I think around 9 in the morning and they were done by noon, and it was just amazing to know that this pretty significant problem had a fairly easy fix, that they were very efficient in fixing. The repair has definitely given me a lot of peace of mind. I don't feel like I have to tiptoe around my own house, and I feel like I actually own it and can just live life how I want. I would absolutely recommend Redeemers Group because they're just very professional, very kind and efficient, and really take the time to understand you as a person, not just as a customer. I would say that if you're having any problems with your crawl space, your flooring, your foundation, anything like that, definitely give a call to Redeemers Group.